label what you have. You're told that FG, this length, is root 1252, GJ is 26, and GH is root 872. Okay, so based on those measurements, what you need to do is find the area of this kite. So the area is going to be 1/2 the product of the diagonals. Okay, so we know this diagonal because that segment or that diagonal is being bisected. Each of these pieces is going to be 26. So that gives you a total of 52. So there's one of our diagonals. And to find the other diagonal, we need to know what FJ and JH are. Okay, and so when we look for FJ, that's created using this right triangle. Again, the diagonals intersect each other at right angles. So if we took that triangle first, we have a length of 26, hypotenuse of root 1252. We can solve for this side, I'll call it A, by using Pythagorean theorem. So if we take A squared plus 26 squared is equal to root 1252 squared, those cancel, the radical cancels with the power. Subtract 26 squared from both sides, and then extract your square root. So I can find A by doing the following calculation. If I took the square root of 1252 minus 26 squared, close that off and hit enter, so I get my length to be 24. So here's this length is 24. And then to that I'm going to add JH, so I'll look at my other triangle here. Still have one leg of 26. This time my hypotenuse is 872. And so I can set this up, I'll call this B, and I can solve using Pythagorean theorem once again. So I have 26 squared plus B squared is equal to root 872 squared. Once again, the root and the power cancel. I can subtract 26 squared from both sides and extract my square root, and I get my solution for B. So if I calculate this, I get the square root of 872 minus 26 squared, close that off and hit enter. So I get 14 for B, so that length is 14, giving me my total diagonal 2. And so now it's just a matter of calculating overall 0.5 times 52 times the sum of 24 and 14, and that gives me my solution, which is 988. Once again, there's no units provided, so I will label it as square unit.